To start a limited liability company, LLC, in Montana, several steps must be taken. The process begins with choosing a name for the LLC, which must be distinguishable from other business entity names already registered in the state. The name must end with Limited Liability Company or one of its abbreviations. To check the availability of a name, a search can be conducted on the Montana official state website. If the preferred name is already in use, a DBA, doing business as, registration can be filed, allowing the LLC to operate under a different name. The next step is to appoint a registered agent, who will handle necessary government, tax, and legal correspondence on behalf of the LLC. While it is possible to serve as one's own registered agent, this is not recommended due to the complexity of legal documents and requirements. A registered agent service can be used to handle these tasks. Following the appointment of a registered agent, the next step is to file articles of organization, which includes basic information about the LLC, such as its name, address, and purpose. The state filing fee, currently $35 in Montana, must also be paid at this time. After filing the articles of organization, an operating agreement can be created, which outlines how the business will be run, including the distribution of profits and the authority to bind the LLC to legal contracts. The next step is to obtain any necessary permits and licenses for the LLC, which will depend on the specific industry and activities of the business. Researching the required permits and licenses for the industry can help determine what is needed. Professional assistance can also be sought to ensure compliance. To maintain tax compliance, the LLC must file annual reports, keep accurate records, and conduct business transactions through a business bank account. This helps to protect personal assets in case of a lawsuit. The final step is to obtain an employer identification number, EIN. If the LLC plans to hire employees or file certain tax forms, an EIN is also required to open a business bank account if the LLC has multiple members. To simplify the process, a legal service can be used to handle all the necessary steps. These services, such as LegalZoom, can provide assistance with every step, from forming the LLC to obtaining an EIN and operating agreement. They can also offer additional services, such as bookkeeping software and initial phone consultations with specialists. Using a legal service can ensure that the LLC is set up correctly and efficiently, and can provide ongoing support and guidance.